This is a CPIO archive that is gzipped. It's common on Mac or Linux. On Windows, you need to use 7-zip to extract the GZ layer, then the CPIO layer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's extract it twice. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the CPGZ file. I'll reveal it at the end. A CPGZ file is a compressed archive, often associated with macOS systems. It typically uses the gzip compression algorithm to reduce file size, making it easier to share and store data. CPGZ files can contain multiple files and folders, which are compressed into a single archive for efficient management and distribution. CPGZ archives are created using the gzip compression method, which is known for its good compression ratio and speed. The archive format includes metadata about the compressed files, such as their original names and timestamps. Decompression involves reversing the zip algorithm to restore the original files and folder structure. The optimal viewer for the CPGZ format is generally considered to be Apple Archive Utility from Apple Inc. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows offers minimal insight into archive contents, so you'll need decompression utilities to open them. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the CPGZ file and select Open With. If Apple Archive Utility is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the CPGZ file is still giving you trouble, relax. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, use Archive Utility. If on a Mac, simply double-click the file to extract it using the built-in archive utility. Next, use Alternative Extractor. If on a PC, use a robust archive utility like 7-zip or the Unarchiver to extract the contents. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't extract, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.